かわいいクッキングへようこそ。
Hello everyone! Today I show you how to prepare Isobeyaki. This dish is prepared with mochi, toasted and seasoned with soy sauce, then wrapped by seaweed nori. These are the ingredients. First of all, I cut a nori seed with a pair of scissors. I need 2 strips, approximately 5 by 12 centimeters. Heat a fry pan under low heat and sprinkle the butter. When the butter is melted, add the mochi. I cook both sides of mochi for some minutes until they become soft. Also all the surfaces. Turn off the heat and add the soy sauce and the mirin. Turn on the heat and sprinkle the sauce. Continue to cook until the sauce thickens. I assemble the mochi, so I put a piece of nori on a cutting board. As the rough part comes up, sprinkle some Kaiware sprout in the center of the nori, then place the mochi. I wrap the mochi with the nori. The isobeyaki is eaten by hands. I'll explain to you a little bit about nori. The nori is often used as a gift in Japan because in the past seaweed production was unstable, and being able to get a nori was a good fortune. Therefore, the person who gives it expects wish of good luck. A tip: when the nori isn't crunchy anymore, you could roast it directly on the heat. You see, it's become very crunchy.
Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.